Okay, all my texture painting has been done. Now I want to create the specular map and bump map and the normal map. I want to create the I'm going to create the bump map in order to create the normal map. Therefore, otherwise I don't have to create the bump map. What I'll do, click. What I have done is create a new layer, bump map. Then I'm going to find my road texture, which is this one, and duplicate selected. Here we go. I duplicate that layer and drag it and drop, put it in the bump map. If you can't see the bump map, solo selected, right click the layer, solo selected. Now you can see the amount of bump which is happening over here. That's really good. If you want to add, if it is a too bumpy, you always can adjust. Right click, adjust color. You will get to this curve and you will be able to adjust. Here we go. I'm happy with that. Right click, unsolo. Then I need which layer? I want to select the, okay, here we go. I want to select the suicide main texture, which is this one. Right click, duplicate selected, then drag it and drop under the bump node. Here we go. Or you can see that's, see this line going across over here. That's because of my this side, the suicide color map has gone to this side. That's why simply what I can do, I can erase that bit. I'm under bump map, simply just get the eraser, erase the area that you don't want. Here we go. If I right click, solo selected, I can see. And what I'll do, unsolo, I'm going to put this layer down over here. Then I'm going to delete this layer which is no longer required. Right click, merge visible. I'm going to merge two layers under the bump map. Then right click, normal map from bump map. I'm going to put it to the 3ds max, press OK. I create the bump map, that's good. I'm going to turn off the normal bump map. This is the normal map. Okay, now one more map left for me to create, which is the specular map. Specular map, here we go. Then I'm going to use all these color channels to create the specular map. Right click, merge visible. What's this one? Oh, that's okay. I put this one, that's with the color variation node. I'll merge that one, merge visible. Then what I'll do, right click, duplicate selected. I got that layer. Then put it under the specular channel. Okay. Now it's too specular, too shiny. You know, always you can adjust color. Always better to put this specular layer black and white, then the white part get shiny, black part not that shiny. Adjust that layer. Here we go. I'm happy with this. Press OK. Now my normal maps looks okay. That's okay. I can adjust that one back in 3ds Max if it's too bumpy. I'm going to delete this layer. It's no longer needed. Delete selected. I'm going to extract, export selected, and I'm going to save that file as a JPEG file. JPEG. Scene assist images. I'm going to put name as road for color. Let me change the name, this one into demo. Yep. I extract that layer, then under my specular color, export selected. Spec. Then under my normal map, export selected. For the normal. Here we go. Now I'll go back in my 3ds Max. Here we go, my 3ds Max. Let me delete this channel. Okay, press the M key. If you still got the modifier attached to this floor plan, right click and collapse all. Then press the M key. Get to material slate editor. Drag it and drop. Standard material, bitmap. I'm going to get there are so many Photoshop files going on. Bit confusing. Okay, I got the color channel that I have created back in Mudbox and connect into the diffuse color. Take this one. Right. Assign material to selection. Here we go. You can see my color channel, which is appear on the rod, appear on my floor plan. I'll look at this side. All looking good. That's all I need. Beautiful. Let me to assemble the assemble the specular map and the normal map. Finding this is specular map. That's just a black and white map. Specular color. I connect this one. Then I need to connect the normal map. In order to create the normal map, you need to get this extra node, which is the normal node. Connect into bump. Then get the bitmap node. Is this. Then find the normal map that you create for this one. Here we go. Connect it. Double click the first node, material node, and under the map put it to 100. That should be fine. Now if you render your view like that, you can see the bumpiness which is happening over here. Okay. If you realistic material on a viewport. Give it a second to think. Hopefully you will be able to see the bump map and the color map that you created back in smart box. Okay, that's all about this video. Next one, I'll show you how to create the brick layer, sorry, brick wall with using the pattern technique in Photoshop. Okay, thanks.